If your hands could talk, mine would probably be screaming, "Moisture, please!" Especially after all the hand washing, sanitizer, and keyboard marathons. And that's where this Glysomed Hand Cream comes in. This isn't just a fancy cream that smells divine. It's more like a non-nonsense treatment for hands that have seen better days. And it works. And the magic here is the blend. Glycerin to moisture in, silicone to lock it in place, and a touch of chamomile to calm dry skin. It feels richer than basic lotions, but it doesn't turn your palms into like a slippery soap opera. Just soft, nourished skin that gets back to work. And like I said, this cream is not about floral bouquets or dessert candle vibes. There's a subtle chamomile scent, and no, it doesn't blow me away, sadly. And fortunately, you don't need a lot. I think I put too much on here now, actually. A little goes a surprisingly long way. Oh, it's probably the right amount, I guess. So this tube has become my everyday hero, purse and desk included. And what I love most is that it just gets your hands back to normal and keeps them there. So if dry, cracked hands are part of your daily problem, give this classic a try. Your skin will notice a difference.